Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Thomas. This is actually what the main road looks. This is the main road. To the right is where they're building a new highway. So this road is not going to be improved or anything. It's not a part of the highway. The highway takes a new alignment as it bypasses the Grand Spend area. So the highway is not going to run along this road. So this is St. Thomas. So just to give you an idea of what the main road looks like in St. Thomas and why everybody is so happy for the highway. Because if you don't have the highway, this is what you would have to drive on as a main road. And you often hear persons refer to St. Thomas as the forgotten parish. But this is one of the reasons why. Why would you want to drive on this road to go anywhere? But all that is going to change soon because a highway is being built, so you can get to St. Thomas quite easily on highway quality roads. Alright, so just to give you some perspective, straight ahead is what the finished section of the highway is going to look like. So you just saw the road that we're coming off of, and then look at this highway quality road that we're going on to now. So this is what we're talking about when we said things are going to pick up big time for this side of the island, because you now have a road like this to drive on, a proper road. Here you can see a very nice view